Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 9 syllables as from here to there: Qaf, Kaf, and Lam. It is on page number 15 of Al-Qaeda Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Qaf Fatha Alif Sukoon. Qaf is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and this Alif has hidden Sukoon. Qaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Qa. 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 The next syllable we have is Qaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Qaf is a heavy letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw. Waw has hidden Sukoon and this Alif is silent. Qaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon Qu. Qaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon Qu. Qaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon Qu. The next syllable we have is Qaf Kasra Ya Sukoon. Qaf is a heavy letter, it has kasra underneath, it is followed by ya, and this ya has hidden sukoon. Qaf kasra ya sukoon qi. Qaf kasra ya sukoon qi. Qaf kasra ya sukoon qi. So now we have all 3 syllables. Qa, qu, qi, qa, Qu, Qi. So the next syllable we have is Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon. Kaf is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and this Alif has hidden Sukoon. Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Ka. Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Ka. Kaf Fatha Alif Sukoon Ka. So the next syllable we have is Kaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Kaf is a light letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw. This Waw has hidden Sukoon and this Alif is silent. Kaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon Ku. Kaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon Ku. Kaf Dhamma Waw Sukoon Ku. The next syllable we have is Kaf Kasra Ya Sukoon. Kaf is a light letter, it has Kasra underneath, it is followed by Ya, and this Ya has hidden Sukoon. Kaf Kasra Ya Sukoon Ki. Kaf Kasra Ya Sukoon Ki. Kaf Kasra Ya Sukoon Ki. So now we have all 3 syllables. Ka, Ku, Ki. Ka, Ku, Ki. Ka, Ku, Ki. So the next syllable we have is Lam Fatha Alif Sukoon. Lam can be heavy or light depending on its different situation. But in this case, we're using as a light, and it has Fatha on top of it, followed by Alif, and this Alif has hidden Sukoon. Lam Fatha Alif Sukoon La. 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 So the next syllable we have is Lam Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Lam is a light letter in this case, it has Dhamma on top of it, followed by Waw. Waw has hidden Sukoon and this Alif is silent. Lam Dhamma Waw Sukoon Lu. Lam Dhamma Waw Sukoon Lu. Lam Dhamma Waw Sukoon Lu. So the next syllable we have is Lam Kasra Ya Sukoon. Lam is a light letter in this case, it has kasra underneath, it is followed by ya, and ya has hidden sukoon. Lam kasra ya sukoon li. Lam kasra ya sukoon li. Lam kasra ya sakun li. So now we have all three syllables. La, lu, li. La, lu, li. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Qa, qu, qi, qa, qu, qi, ka, ku, ki, ka, ku, ki, la, lu, li, la, lu, li. So this is the end of this session. We will practice those 9 syllables 10 times in next session, inshallah, just to give you enough practice. We will see you in the next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.